This brand new strategy that I'll share with you in today's video pays you in passive income. It is absolutely free to join and worldwide available as well. If you're interested, just make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World so you can get notified each time I upload brand new strategies on how to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. If you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up, and of course, if you have any question or opinion about this video, leave a comment down below. Without any further ado, let's now start with today's video so I can show you everything, and make sure to stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused. So the very first step is to just stay on YouTube. Actually, I want you to just go over to the search bar and you need to search for a popular niche that comes in your mind. It can be the fitness niche, the weight loss niche, a gaming niche, or even the make money online niche. But you need to find always a popular one that you think that people are very interested in it and they are going to benefit from that. So what you need to do then is to just search some videos in that niche. So I've searched for cooking recipes, so I went with the cooking niche, and as you can see there are a lot of popular videos. They have millions of views, which shows that people love this kind of videos. And what I want you to do then is to just open up one of them and to get that URL, or you can even copy the link address by right clicking right away. So once you get that URL, what you need to do is to just proceed to the next step, which is to come over to this platform called ShrinkMe, and it's over at shrinkme.io. You can shorten URLs and earn money, and this is the highest paying URL shortener. You can join now and earn up to $220 per 10,000 of views. I've searched even some other similar websites to ShrinkMe.io, but this is actually the ones that are going to pay you the most. They offer the highest rates. By scrolling down, you're going to see how it works. You can create an account for free, shorten your link, and earn money. And there are some features that you need to know about ShrinkMe.io. For example, that it is a completely free tool where you can create short links and you can just make money from home. And you're going to notice that they do offer a referral bonus. If you want to get paid in passive income by bringing new members to this platform, you can receive 20% of their earnings for life. Also, they offer featured administration panel, detailed statistics, a low minimum payout of $5. Once you get $5 in your account, you can get paid in PayPal money, but some other payment methods as well. They offer the highest rates, and you're going to check them out in a minute, and a dedicated support team as well. As you can see, they have more than 2 million of registered users, and you're going to be one of them. So besides PayPal, they pay you through Bitcoin, web money, Paytm, UPI, RTM, Payeer, and bank transfer. So what you need to do right now is to go over to the payout rates so you can see what I was talking about earlier. You can just check out, first of all, that they give you sign up bonus of $1, which is a nice addition. The minimum payout $5, just like we mentioned before, and the payment frequency is daily, so you can get paid daily with your preferred payment method. And as you can see, UPI, Paytm, and bank transfer are only available in India, so you can choose between these other payment methods if you are from other countries in the world. So you're going to notice over here that they offer you the rates for each country and per 1,000 of views. So if your viewers are from Greenland, you're going to get paid $22 per 1,000 of views. If they are from Ireland, $16 per 1,000 of views, $7.5 per 1,000 of views if the clickers are from Belgium, and so on and so forth. You have a list with all of these countries over here, and also a worldwide deal which includes the other countries that are not available in the list, and they pay like $3.5. So they offer the highest rates as we saw right now, so you just need to create an account right away in order to get started with this strategy. Just click on the register button in the upper right corner, and after that just put a username, an email address, a password, re-enter the password, complete the captcha, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and click on the register button. Of course, you can even sign in with your Google account because it is a lot faster and a lot easier. Either way, once you do so, you're going to get an email from shrinkme.io, so just check your inbox in order to verify your account, and then you'll be able to log in, and this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard where you can track your total earnings, also total views, referral earnings, and every CPM. It says $0 for the moment since this is a brand new account. Of course, this is going to change really soon, but you can see the available balance is $1. It means that I have received that sign-up bonus that they told me before. So you can just see the left-hand side some other sections. You withdraw section, you can just withdraw your money once you have reached the payout threshold, and also you can put your payment information by clicking on the here button. Also, you can go over to the referral section if you want to get your referral link, and you can just copy it right here and start sharing it with people that you think that are interested in making money with this strategy over here with ShrinkMe.io. So you can make even more money and most importantly in passive income. But either way, you can just go over to the new shorten link button, so you can just start with a strategy that I have to show you today. What you need to do, of course, is to just paste the URL of that cooking video that we got at the beginning of this video. So we're going to make money with this YouTube video actually. You're going to paste it over here and click on the shorten button, and as you can see, they give you immediately the ShrinkMe shorten link. You can copy it in this button, and now you can start sharing it with people. Of course, you are wondering where you can find people that can click on this link, and also the fact that why this platform is paying you in the first place. So first of all, of course, I'm going to show you a traffic source where you can find people interested in clicking in this link and watching a cooking recipe, so they can benefit from it, and also you're going to get paid for that. But the second thing that I want to mention is the reason why this platform is paying you. And actually, whenever people are going to click on this link, they are going to see some ads first, and then they can proceed to the main video, which is that video from YouTube. Of course, this platform is splitting the ad revenue with you. That's why they are paying you. And right now, what you need to do is to proceed to the last part of this video, which is to find the traffic source. What I want you to do is to go over to Google and search for cooking forums. And as you can see, there are a lot of them actually. You can open up as many as you can and take part in these forums, and then you need to take part in discussions, because people here are just discussing about different recipes and so on. And you can find some videos just like I did here on YouTube, shorten them with ShrinkMe.io, and then share it with these people on these forums. You can say, for example, that you find the perfect video that is going to help them a lot, and they are going to benefit from it, and also you benefited because you have just did that recipe and you like it a lot. And of course, you're going to make money actually in passive income, which is our most important part. You're going to get paid every time people click on your link. And I highly recommend actually that you find people from Greenland. As we saw before, people from Greenland, the ones that are going to click from Greenland, are going to pay you the most. So just go over to Google once again and search for cooking forums in Greenland, as you can see, and you're going to just find people from that country, and whenever they click on your link, you're going to make the most money since they pay you $22 per 1,000 of views. So it is a great strategy actually, and I highly recommend that you focus even on the other niches as well, popular ones, just like I mentioned before. So this is a great strategy to earn some extra money, and most importantly in passive income. If you like it, just give a thumbs up to it, a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden Emia's World. Thank you for watching.